Still to the downside. 2-minute EWO gang. Do you guys see why you use the shedding technique and you don't get out?
Yes, sir. Runners at almost 40%, and I've already locked in over 2,000 for the day.
Apple, all right. Again, there are rules we have in place for the 2-minute EWO. If you guys have puts or shorting Apple, when and only when do you get all the way out of Apple? Everybody in the 2-minute EWO room, when do you get out?
At VWAP.
Hold over VWAP.
A break and hold above VWAP. Did it do that? So that means everybody that followed the rules for Apple, it's about to make new low a day, right?
That's what we're looking for.
Look at you guys are now on a triple bottom. Apple getting ready to make new low a day. If you guys followed the rules, that is nothing but payday all day for you. Apple trying to make new low a day right here. If you guys followed the frickin' rules like you're supposed to, you are golden. If you didn't, in your journal, you need to say, I did not follow the rules today. Therefore, I did not get maximum profits. Get ready. Boom. Shift change. Volume coming in. Apple is trying to make new low a day. There it goes. Apple, new low a day. Oh my gosh. If you guys follow my rules, you guys are rich. If not, what are you doing? Am I right?
You're right, Coach. So I was in, made nice profit, but I did shed some when it broke above the 9. My question is, should I have re-entered when it started to falter on VWAP?
Yes. For advanced traders though, right? Yes. Once it pulled back, that's where you add. Exactly right. Yep. Because that is resistance, right? That's the hardest level of resistance. And I always tell you guys, it's the best place to add because you already know if it breaks and holds above it, you got to get out. So isn't that the highest reward with the lowest risk point?
That's true.
Yep. I mean, there's no better spot to add because you already know if it breaks above, you're out all the way. So it is the best spot ever to add. I mean, no exceptions to that. Same applies if you guys were long and it pulled back down to VWAP, right? If you guys were going long and it came down to VWAP, it's the best place to add because you already know if it pulls below, I'm out. So your risk is so freaking tiny, but your reward is the entire bounce back up to make new high, right?